Hey guys! In this video, I'll explain how verification works on the Coverstar app. If you want to get the blue verification checkmark next to your username, there isn't necessarily a button you need to press or a paid subscription you have to purchase. Coverstar may verify accounts that it recognizes as authentic creators or rising talent. Having an established audience and consistently creating original content can help your profile get noticed. The most important thing is to keep creating quality content while following Coverstar's community guidelines and platform rules. Verification is handled by Coverstar, so there may not be a manual application process available for everyone. If your account is selected for verification, the blue checkmark will appear next to your username. So, if you want to increase your chances of getting verified, focus on building an authentic profile, growing your audience, and consistently posting content that follows the platform's rules. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.